Is your 2011-2016 Ford F-250 key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. The good news is that replacing it is a simple DIY task. This guide will walk you through the process. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR2032 3-volt lithium battery, available for $1 to $5 at most retailers like Amazon or auto parts stores. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off. Then, carefully pry open the key fob casing using your tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's correctly aligned. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob near your vehicle to confirm it's working. In most cases, this resolves the issue, saving you a trip to the dealership. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it might need reprogramming. This can sometimes be done through your vehicle's onboard computer, but often requires a trip to a Ford dealer, costing $50 to $100. To prevent future issues, use a quality, brand name CR2032 battery like Energizer or Duracell. Avoid generic or knockoff brands, as they may leak or have a shorter lifespan. Also, be mindful of static electricity when handling the circuit board inside the fob. While app-based systems are becoming more common in newer vehicles, for your 2011 to 2016 F-250, manual battery replacement remains the standard solution. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. By following these tips, you can keep your key fob functioning reliably for years to come.